Hey guys, welcome back. Hope everyone had a great weekend, enjoyed some nice rain and got some good rest. We are hitting the ground running this week in math. We are starting a new unit. This is unit 2, and this is all about addition, properties, subtraction, and everything that kind of goes with that. So I'm going to start off today's lesson with some vocabulary that the kids are going to need for their homework tonight. These are ones that they wrote down in their spiral here at school. The first word that they need to know is the word addend. And an addend is numbers that are added together. So if you had a problem, for example, like 254 plus 37, 254 and 37 are the addends. The next word they need to know, and this is a review from second grade, is sum. Sum is the total to an addition problem. So for example, if you had 3 plus 2, this sum would be 5. And then to review, 3 and 2 would be the addends. Today, the kids learned about the first property of addition that we're covering. Whoops, let me see if I can find it. Here it is. Which is the associative property of addition. So the associative property of addition tells us that you can group addends in different ways and you will always get the same sum. So for example, if you had a problem like 16 plus 28 plus 2, if you use parentheses and group 28 plus 2, you would solve this first and you would add 36. You would add 16. You could also group them with 16 plus 2 and then add 28. But the associative property of addition tells us that no matter how you group those numbers, the sum will always be the same. So in this case, it would be 46. On the kids' homework tonight, they're going to get a follow-up of what we learned in class today. So they're going to get a page that looks like this. There are addition problems up at the top, and then there are strips down here that they're going to cut out. What they're going to do is they're going to match the problems down here with the associating problem up here. So for the first one, it says 15 plus 8 plus 33, and it was grouped 8 plus 33 to be solved first, and then 15. So they would look down here and they would choose which one of these problems would correspond with that one. And of course it would be this, even though this is grouped differently, 33 plus 15 and then plus 8, the sum would still be the same. So they're going to cut this out and then they would glue it into this space above. I would also like for them to solve each problem. For their extra credit tonight, can you please explain the associative property of addition? Tell me what addends are. Tell me what a sum is. And then solve 4, 5, and 6. Remember, you solve what is in the parentheses first, and then everything outside of the parentheses. Hope everyone has a great night.